Hello and welcome. This is John Lee. Today we are going to learn how to play natural harmonics on the guitar. Now, what are harmonics? As you've just heard, harmonics are bell-like pitches or chimes which are normally 1 or 2 octaves above the notes that we play. There are 3 main locations of natural harmonics on the fingerboard, and they are the 5th frets, the 7th frets, and the 12th frets. When we play natural harmonics, we place the finger of our fretting hand lightly on the string above the fret wire of the chosen frets. We then play the string and lift the finger off immediately. Now, be careful not to press down too hard on the string or the harmonics will not ring out. Let me play the harmonics on the 5th fret from strings 6 to 1. The notes that I have just played are 2 octaves above the notes of the open string. Let me proceed to the 7th fret. On the 7th fret, the harmonic notes are 1 octave above the fretted notes. So on the 7th fret, the notes will be B, E, A, D, F sharp, and B from strings 6 to 1. Let us continue to the 12th fret. The 12th fret harmonic notes are 1 octave above the open string notes. So they are E, A, D, G, B, and E from strings 6 to 1. Now that brings us to the end of our short lesson on playing natural harmonics on the fingerboard. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and happy playing. See you next time.